So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to duplicate text here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up freeform. Once that is done for this demonstration, I'm going to go to the top left and press on Untitled 4. Once you're onto your board or whatever, just go to the bottom right, press on the A with the square to get some text into your document. I'm just going to type in the word duplicate text. I'm then going to make the text bold, just like that. So I'll just double tap the text here, make it bold. I will then make the text a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. And then how about I just go to the bottom left, press on color right here, and I'll make it green. So if you want to duplicate this green text right here, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the text right here to open up this bottom bar once again. And right beside the garbage can on the left, there's that plus arrow with the square around it. Press on that to duplicate it. You can duplicate it one more time and basically get the exact same thing in regards to duplicating text. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to duplicate text here on freeform. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.